In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to your Google Calendar event. Whether you're planning a virtual party, a business meeting, or any kind of gathering, inviting others to your event through Google Calendar is a streamlined and efficient process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar in your web browser. If you already have an event in mind that you'd like to add guests to, simply locate and click on that event. If you're starting fresh with a new event, you'll need to create one by either clicking on the plus Create button, usually found on the left side of your screen, or by clicking directly on a time slot within the calendar itself. This will open up the Event Details view. Once you're in the Event Details, turn your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Guests section. This is where you'll start inviting people. In this area, you can type in the name or email address of the person you wish to invite. If the person is already in your Google Contacts, their information may conveniently pop up in a drop-down menu for you to select. At this point, you can also set permissions for your guests. As you scroll slightly beneath the guest list, you'll notice several options. These include permissions like guests can invite others, guests can see the guest list, and guests can modify the event. You can choose to allow or restrict these options according to your needs. These settings are crucial for maintaining control over how your event is managed and who can view or alter details. With your guests added, it's a great time to check over your event details one last time. Double-check the time, location, and description to ensure everything is accurate. Then, once you're satisfied that all the information is correct and your guest list is complete, go ahead and click the Save button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send invitation emails to the people you've added. It's important to choose Send so your guests receive an invitation directly in their inbox. This email will provide your invitees with all the event details along with options to respond. Your guests will then receive an email notification allowing them to respond with yes, no, or maybe. As they respond, you'll be able to see their replies reflected in the event details under the Guests section of your calendar. It's an easy way to track attendance and stay updated on who will be joining your event. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully invited guests to join your Google Calendar event. I hope this tutorial makes organizing your future events a breeze. Thanks for watching.